Are you guys almost through?
No, they just started.
Hey, easy. Peanut. Peanut.
Kirby. Come here, Poker. Oh, yeah, come on, baby.
Why are you being so mean to your sister?
You're all wound up tonight, aren't you? Oh.
Why are you being so mean to your sister?
Are you going down? Are you going down?
Sophie. Oh, did she hurt that baby? Get her, Sophie. Get her, Sophie. Peanut sounds like
I know, it sounds like an old man.
Peanut, do you always have to be on top? Ow, easy. You be nice to your sister.
Poor Sophie.
Why are you so wound up, Peanut? Sophie, you are like so totally ineffective right there.
Isn't she, though?
Look, she's not even there right now. Oh, there she is. Sophie, you really got to get a new move. You got to get a new move.
I tell you. Oh.
Are y'all about through? Oh, God.
What are you doing, Peanut?
Sophie, did you survive? Oh, no, she's back. Sophie, that just isn't working. You need like a left-right jab or something. You need like a left-right jab. Oh, I'll protect you, Sophie. Mommy will protect you from Big Bad Peanut. Not so good, huh? You want some more of that, huh, Sophie? You want some more of that. Yeah, alright.